Okay, this is exploring variation and distribution in the sim. So I've already got my sim open over here. It says open the sim and open mode explore variation. So your modes in the sim, it's still loading, are always in these three little bars right here. So explore variation, I'm gonna do the first one. Yes, I'm sure. All right. The purpose of this assignment is just to practice setting up some different populations because that's what we're going to do all unit. So we're going to have a series of 4 missions and we're going to adjust the trait and level variation sliders. You might want to zoom in on our environment to see the individuals. We're going to add our screenshot here. We are not just going to make a copy of this one. It's really easy to tell. So notice we don't have to press run or analyze. We don't need to turn off things because we're just going to use what we're going to use. So mission 1, set up thorn palm population where all the thorn palms have medium thorns. All right, so here's my sim. It starts us always on the abiotic factors. Those are the things that are not alive in the environment. And then our biotic factors are living things. So it said thorn palm. So here's my thorn palm. I'm going to want you to notice the x-axis here is height. So this one, we're looking at the trait height. And down here, there's a different trait for thorn size. So look at this one. We want a thorn palm population with all medium thorns. So I need to pick the trait thorn size. So switch to thorn size. And it said all medium. So that means I want them all 1 bar. And I want it at either 5 or 6. It was on 4. I'm going to switch it to 5 or 6. So this is what you would take a screenshot in of. You can zoom in and get one of the thorn palms if you want, but you don't have to. All right, mission 2. So we're going to stick with our thorn palms, but this time we want many short thorn palms, a few medium height thorn palms, and none that are tall thorn palms. So I'm going to go back here. I need to switch it from thorn size to the trait height. So again, it only has 1 slider, and I want my graph to look like this. So notice I'm going to take that slider down to 1, and then I'm going to increase the variation. So grab this one down to 1. It said I want most that are short, but it did want a few that are medium and none that are tall. So that's what I have right here. So take a screenshot when you get your graph looking like this. All right, so that's mission 2. Mission 3, we're going to set up the australope population that has blue, green, and yellow australopes. Notice it's the australope. The x-axis says color, that's the trait. And I want all the colors present. So australope. Notice this is fur, that's not what I want. I'm going to switch to the trait color. This is all of them, this one color green, and we want them all different colors. So I want to show 10 small bars here. So this is what you would take a screenshot of. And I can see my different color australopes here in the environment. All right, last mission. Mission 4, set up a Carthanon population where most of the Carthanons have high levels of fur, but some have medium fur. So again, Carthanon is this guy. I'm going to go to this. And I want fur as the trait. And I want them all high fur, a couple right here, but none with that low level fur. So Carthanons, fur, and then we want them all to have high fur. Probably right here is where I want it. So take your screenshot here and upload it. All right, that's the assignment.